Now we are going to solve few examples of practice set number 10, addition and subtraction of mixed numbers of the lesson operations on fractions. So let's start. First example, 6 integer 1 upon 3 plus 2 integer 1 upon 3. We are going to add these two mixed numbers which have a whole number and a fractional part. We can do this by two methods. Method 1 and by method second method. Let's solve this by method first. We write 6 1 by 3. We write the example here 6 1 by 3 plus 2 integer 1 by 3. In these mixed numbers, we know that we have a whole number. These are two whole numbers and a fractional part. So we can add whole numbers 6, which is equal to, we can add whole numbers 6 plus 2 and fractional parts separately 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. By adding 6 plus 2 we get, which is equal to 8, and we can add these two fractions because they are like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions which have same denominators. So we can write 3 in the denominator and add the numerator 1 plus 1. So we get 8 whole number plus 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 3, which is equal to 8 2 upon 3. So the addition of 6 integers 1 upon 3 plus 2 integer 1 upon 3 is 8 integer 2 upon 3. Here we can also solve this example by another method. Let's write the example 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. Here we multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. We multiply the denominator by the whole number and add numerator and divide it by the denominator. Similar process we do to this mixed number. We multiply 3 by whole number 2 and add 1 divided by the denominator itself. We get 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 3 plus 3 to the 6 and 1 7, 7 upon 3. Since both are like fractions, we can add both, which is equal to 19 and 7 is 26, 26 upon 3, which is equal to 8, 3 8s are 24 and 2, which we get 8 integers 2 upon 3. Similarly, when we add 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3, we get 8 2 upon 3. Now let's solve another example. 1 integer 1 upon 4 plus 3 integers 1 upon 2. Let's solve this by both the methods. In the first method, let's write the example 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. Here we know that we can add whole numbers 1 plus 3 plus, now we can add these fractions 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. We get, which is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 plus, now in these two fractions, they are not like fractions. So we have to make these fractions as like fractions. So what we can do, we can write 1 upon 4 as it is, and we can multiply by 2 to these numbers 1 upon 2 by 2 and 1 upon 2. So we get 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 ones are 2 upon 2 to the 4. Now these both are like numbers, so we get 4 plus 2 and 1 is 3, 3 upon 4, which is equal to 4 integers, 3 upon 4. So by adding one integer 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2, we get 4 3 upon 4. By another method, that is second method, second, we'll solve this example. That is 1 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. In this method, we multiply denominator by one whole number and add the numerator. We get 4 into 1 plus 1 upon divided by denominator plus, here we multiply 2 by 3 and add the numerator. We multiply denominator by whole number and add the numerator and divided by 2, the denominator. Here we get 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 upon 4 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 upon 2, which is equal to, now they are not like fractions, so we have to make them like fractions. So what we have to do, 5 upon 4 plus, we multiply this number by 2, so they are both will be like numbers, so we get, which is equal to 5 upon 4 plus 7 cubes are 14, 14 upon 4. Now they are like numbers, so we can add, which is equal to 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 upon 4, which is equal to, we get the answer, 4 4s are 16 and 3 is 19, so this is our final answer. So by adding 1 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2, we get 4 3 upon 2, and that's from the first method also we got the answer of 1 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2 as 4 3 upon 4 and 4 3 upon 4.